Good morning, guys. This is Sagittarius reading for current week 22 to 28th of February. So let's see what Sagittarius has. Okay, so we'll start with tarot right weight. What is the present situation for Sagittarius for current week? What is the present situation for Sagittarius for current week? What is the present situation in Sagittarius for current week? What is the current situation of Sagittarius in current week? What is the present situation in Sagittarius for current week? What is the current situation of Sagittarius in current week? The current situation is Ten of Swords, the Star, Ten of Pentacles. So Sagi, this is a good card. So Ten of Swords is a a new life, a new beginning. So you are awakening. You whatever the mystery, whatever the problems, issues, whatever was there, it is now over, and you are beginning to a new life. You're awakening. So it's a new life that you're awakened to. So whatever the problem you had, it is over now. So you're starting a new life. And the star you see, the star card is basically you will nurture yourself. You will have good you will take care of your health. You will nurture yourself for a good. You will take care of everything whatever need. You are doing everything for yourself to to reach better place or for your betterment. So star is a indicates a good thing about Sagittarius. And you see Ten of Pentacles is all about inheritance, money, or abundance coming your way. Maybe a good job is coming your way. You will be getting an offer. You'll be getting a money from past or someone, maybe your inheritance money or someone. So it's about abundance. So the end line is it's a new beginning with you are working on yourself, you're nurturing yourself, and you will have good emotions. Also, the abundance coming your way, maybe a good offer, a job, or money which was stuck before. So it's a good positive things. Let's see what love situation for you in current week. So please tell me the love situation for current week for Sagittarius. What is the love situation for Sagittarius in current week? What is the love situation for Sagittarius in current week? What is the love situation for Sagittarius in current week? The love situation is Queen of Swords, the Judgment, Seven of Swords. So, guys, Queen of Swords is basically a mother figure. So, I feel like that your love life is impacted by a mother figure, or maybe you are connecting with some motherly figure who who has a kid, and it may be affected by children your love life, or maybe you're connecting with a mother figure or a father figure. And also judgment. So judgment is about your awakening from a sleep, or I mean, judgment is basically you're getting a judgment, and life is changing for you for a good. Whatever the problem issues you had, it is getting over now, and you're awakened now. You understand all the things clearly, and you will lead a good life in love, because you know now what is bad and what is good. Seven of Swords indicate that the man is stealing a sword and he's looking behind too. So basically, in love life, it says that it's a cunningness. Basically, the card is about cunningness, so it's a bit a negative card. So what I would say in love life, Maybe you are hurting somebody, and also you are, you know, you're cheating with someone, or someone cheating to you, or like that, it's basically a cunningness card. So your present situation in love life is affected by it. Your love life is affected by children, motherly figure, and you're getting a judgment. You are awakened now, so you know what to choose. And also some group of parents is like they are maybe cheating. Sorry, Sagittarius, maybe they are cheating, or maybe they are not doing correct with their love, or maybe the love is, I mean, the opposite person is not doing correct with Sagittarius. So that is about love. So let's move to financial. What is the financial situation for Sagittarius in current week? What is the financial situation for Sagittarius in current week? What is the financial situation for Sagittarius in current week? What is the financial situation for Sagittarius in current week? Eight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Ten of Wands. So guys, this is a good cards. So Eight of Pentacles is basically you're making your money. Maybe some Sagittarius are in business, they are making a money, concentration on making a money. Maybe some Sagittarius have started a YouTube channel, or some, some something. I mean, basically Sagittarius people are making a money. They are into making a money now. I mean, by business or job, or by anything. So you guys are making a money, and also distributing, you're helping people. You are the people are coming for help, asking money to you, so you are also giving them. So you're also helping people, so you have enough money to give them, so you are abundant. Also, Ten of Wands, it's basically saying that you may be traveling somewhere, or you may be you have to travel, or you may be traveling for business, or for work, or something like that. So you are now done enough money, and you're going to travel, like that. So this is about financial situation. Let's see what Osozen has. So please advise, and please give advice and message for Sagittarius for current week. Sorry guys, this card is little, it is flat. I mean, very smooth. What is the message and advice for Sagittarius for current week? What is the message and advice for Sagittarius for current week? What is the message and advice for Sagittarius for current week? What is the message and advice for Sagittarius for current week? What is the message and advice for Sagittarius for current week? Message and advice for Sagittarius for current week. Let's say the burden card. So card is saying to relieve burden, relieve stress. You have burden. Maybe you might have stress about job or relationship or anything. So card is saying uh, you have to remove burden. So let's clarify burden. So let's see. Let's clarify burden. So what it is that you have burden about. So let's see. Let's clarify burden. Please clarify burden. Please clarify burden for Sachi for current week. Please clarify burden. Burden clarify with slowing down. So card is saying that you have to remove burden, remove stress, and slow down whatever you're doing. You heard the tortoise story, right? Slow down and you will win the race. So remove the burden, stress about anything, slow down, think, and then move ahead. Okay, so this is the advice from universe. So that's all, my Sagittarius, my love. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe.